Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC amadi Waikhomani Girls College Thawal Nasinduna Climate Change Challenges 3C and Sustainable Development haiba hiramda numinini chathagadaba National Seminar amangasi Thawal Okramda leba Waikhomani Girls College ki Conference Hall da hudokre ngasi ki seminar hudokpagi thauram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singh Waikhomani Girls College ki Principal Professor H Manoranjan Sharma amasung UGC BSR Faculty Fellow su oiriba Manipur University ki School of Science ki ex-dean Professor Pratap Yadavana athoiba mithung thauram mapu amasung akhanaba mithung sing oina saruk yaki Manipur University ki School of Science ki ex-dean Professor Pratap Yadavna nunggi oiba warol piraba matung thauram ki athoiba mithung singna souvenir amasu release tauki thauram adu ki akhanaba wangangloi oina Island Development Authority of India ki Member Secretary su oiriba Planning Commission of India ki former Director Dr. Uma Shankar IFS na Climate Change Challenges 3C and Sustainable Development haiba hiram asida wangangki Seminar Hall da pangthokiba ngasigi ahanba technical session da UGC BSR Faculty Fellow su oiriba Manipur University ki School of Science ki ex-dean Professor Pratap Yadavna Chairperson oikhibaga loinana Island Development Authority of India ki Member Secretary su oiriba Planning Commission of India ki former Director Dr. Uma Shankar IFS Kandola Marcela Goada Leiba Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce ki Principal Professor Purnakala Vasant Saman amasung Manipur University ki Department of Life Science and Director EMRC Professor Kanan Bala Sarang Themna Resource Person sing oina wangangki Conference Hall da pangthokiba ni suba technical session da Manipur University ki Department of Geology ki Head of Department Professor TH Binoy Singna Chairperson oikhibaga loinana Dhanamanjuri University ki Department of Botany ki Assistant Professor Dr. Athokpam Pinocchio na Resource Person oina wangangki amadi seminar aduda saruk yakiba tongan ba miyoi singna magi seminar paper sing presentation tauki Seminar hongdokpaga mari leinana athoiba mithung oikiba Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor and Lokendra na haikibada Manipur ki oina hausi climate ki ahongba asi aduki matik leire mamangda leiramba data singa changdamnarubada pat kaya mangkhre nong chubagi chang aduki matik hanthare umangi fibam sokchillakle maruoina miyamna sakhanglaba aikogi loktak pat asisu nongmagi peksilakli hairaduna honglakliba kaya asi yenglaga ngasi pangthokliba seminar asi yamna maruoiba miyamda kanaba pigadaba seminar ama soiduna oigani haiki
presentation from Professor Yadava as well as Dr. Uma Shankar Singh. We have also been reading off and on in the morning tabloid as well as here and there about the climate change all across the globe, its impact on the socio-economic life of the people all across the globe, and the way out for a sustainable kind of a way of life. Last 30 years, I think, has been climate change and a sustainable development, sustainable way of life is one of the very critical and very, it took a center stage in the mind as well as in the thinking of a great number of applied scientists, social sciences, and even politicians. In my very brief presentation, let me just talk about Manipur. The first publication on Manipur's, fall, temperature, then the lakes, the way of life, probably was 1856. That was the first publication, brought out by William McCulloch, who was trained in one of the universities in England, and he came to Manipur as a civil servant. He was the son of a famous political economist of England. Now, publication, we come across the 1973 publication by Robert Brown. Then after 1973, we come across the Gazetteer of Manipur, authored by E.W. Dunn. Then after that, we have this BCNN's book on the Naga Hills and Manipur. Then you come to the 1960 publication by Bhattacharya, that is the Gazetteer of Manipur. So when you compare